Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Small, this is the image of the kingdom of God as Jesus presents in today's gospel. No one would like to invest in useless, like little things. But small things can potentially change our life and the whole world extraordinarily. I encounter a story about an 8-year-old boy returning from the beach with his 4-year-old sister. Along the way, she stood in front of a toy shop looking at a teddy bear with great interest. The boy led her into the shop and handed her the teddy bear to her delight. The shopkeeper had been observing the two with great amazement. The boy came to the counter and asked the shopkeeper how much. The elderly shopkeeper asked the boy with a lot of love and affection, "Well, what can you pay?" The boy took out some shells he had collected from the beach and gave these to the old man, who said, "No, no, this is too much. I will pay for the extra." After saying so, he kept only 4 shells with him and returned the rest. The boy happily kept those shells back in his basket and went home with his delighted sister. My dear brothers and sisters, God is present and active in insignificant things to reveal to us His grandeur and majestic love. What matters for Him is not big and impressive actions, but rather taking our small responsibilities seriously with love and fidelity. For this will bring us to our heavenly reward. Our grand plans do not build the kingdom of God. Our small and humble acts of love, goodness, and kindness matter most to God, for they are the seeds that will potentially build the kingdom of God. Small and maybe insignificant, but we do things for God, it will help not only build, but spread the kingdom of God.